We're having some fun in the kitchen today with a chopped cheese sandwich. If you've never had a chopped cheese sandwich, today is your day. It's like a cheeseburger meets Philly cheesesteak in the most incredible way. This top-rated recipe from Allrecipes is a spicy chopped cheese because the meat first gets a little flavoring with some sriracha. We're gonna mix that into the meat and get the meat nice and spicy to begin with. I'm forming this into regular hamburger patties. You want to kind of make them on the thin side. Once you've made your patties, give them a liberal sprinkle of some salt and pepper. You can flavor up this meat however you would normally flavor up your cheeseburgers. This is a meal that can truly come together in a matter of minutes. It's good to have everything prepped ahead of time. You can make your burgers ahead of time, and then you're gonna set up a little assembly line because as you make them, you wanna serve them up pretty much immediately. So I like to get all the fixings just like you would a burger, your mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, whatever you wanna put on it, it's up to you. We're gonna start by cooking up some onions. Onions are just a regular ingredient in a chopped cheese. Get a little butter to add the onions. On the other side, I'm gonna toast my buns and a little bit of the extra butter. What I love about this is that every bite in a chopped cheese has a little bit of everything. All right, I'm gonna cook 2 burgers at a time. Just go in just like you would a regular burger. The main thing you wanna achieve at this step is color. You want this to be really kind of crusty on that at least one side before you go chop it up, so that after you chop it up, you've got nice little brown bits throughout the whole thing. We're gonna let that go for about 4 minutes before we flip it. All right, it's about time to flip. We want that first side good and crusty. Gonna let that go about a couple minutes and then we're gonna start chopping. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my bun ready with my desired fixins. A little mayo, a little mustard, a couple tomatoes on the top, a little bit of lettuce. This is where it differs from the Philly cheesesteak and we're going into the burger world. When the burger is about 80 to 90% done, we're gonna start chopping and then we're gonna incorporate that onion into our chopped burger. Now add in some of your onion. Then you're gonna form your little meat pile. Top it with your cheese and let it melt all good and yummy. To make that happen is to cover it with a lid just for a few seconds till it all melts. Then we're ready. Cheesy, meaty, chopped cheese. Something magical happens when that meat has been chopped up and combines with that melty cheese and the onions. Perfect bites, every bite, but then you've got those cold, crunchy toppings, just like on a hamburger. This is incredible, and I hope that you will give the old chopped cheese a try. Let me know what other street food favorites you want me to teach you how to make next. This is a true meal that can come together.